When fitting the ridge cover, first slot the holding down bolts into the groove on the underneath of the external ridge capping. Prior to the installation of the finial, it may be required to trim the underside to fit. Slide the finial fully onto the ridge capping, leaving space for the ridge end cap to be attached. Slide the pieces of cresting onto the external ridge cover through the moulded grooves from the opposite end of the external ridge cover. The last piece of cresting may have to be trimmed. See your installation guide for instructions. Run a bead of silicone around the contact faces of the flashing trim and attach to the ridge assembly. Lift the ridge capping assembly onto the top of the ridge assembly and push down so that it locates on the prongs of the ridge center. Screw the rectangular washer until it touches the ridge wings and finger tighten, holding down the bolts to make the external ridge capping secure. Primary seal to host wall. Self-adhesive flashing tape is included in your conservatory kit. This product is suitable for use where the host wall is flat and even, for example face brickwork. The tape is provided as a means of temporarily sealing the conservatory from water ingress. Although the flashing tape, if applied in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions, can function for many years, it's not a long-term substitute for traditional lead flashing. We would recommend that you employ an experienced builder to carry out lead flashing works during the construction of your conservatory or at some time in the near future. Roof glazing installation. If your glazing material is polycarbonate, it's important to note that the surface, which is protected by the printed polythene film, is the surface that is on the outside of the conservatory. Each roof glazing sheet is labelled with the corresponding number on your roof plan. Please note that if your conservatory roof has glass roof glazing sheets, some may require jointing with muntin bars. See the muntin bars section for instructions on how to install, as well as the back of the installation guide.